Well, welcome to another edition of Three Stooges Garage. Green Castle Garage. This is the 58 that I've been working on with the students. Students of Grand Prairie. Hey, what's up, y'all? We slammed this thing together to get it ready for the car show, and the big disappointment was the brakes didn't work. So we nursed it out and got it out. People got to see it. Really exciting. Tried gravity bleeding, tried to pump the pedal, tried all the stuff. The original master cylinder was really crusty. I thought I had it laying here. So I bought a new brake master cylinder. We discussed it a lot. This is a 58 on an 03 chassis for people that don't know. So I thought maybe the ABS module wouldn't bleed out. Just couldn't figure out why I just couldn't get any kind of pedal whatsoever. It didn't make sense to me because typically the way these things are designed is if something electronic like the ABS module or anything electric fails, mechanically it usually still works. So even when the ABS module goes on the fritz, you still have brakes, you just don't have anti-lock brakes. So Shane and I discussed it. So I rigged up, did a new proportioning valve. We're gonna run all new regular brake lines, and we're just gonna eliminate the ABS module and just have standard type brakes. I mean, it doesn't have to have ABS. Couldn't talk to the module through the OBD2 port, so we're gonna let it go. So I get the new master cylinder, I get my bracket all painted up, I'm all set, and I go to install it on the booster, and what do I see? A giant gaping hole. Why can't I see the piston that pushes against the back of the master cylinder? So I started, kind of digging around in here with my finger and nothing. So then it dawned on me, well, crap. Whatever's supposed to be in there is what, when you push on the brake pedal, pushes on whatever's supposed to be there to push on the actual master cylinder to cycle the brakes. So basically what happened is we lost a piece and we were never actually pushing on the master cylinder. So my guess is the brakes probably worked 100% fine, and I've already cut one of the ends off of the proportioning valve lines, and so we're gonna go ahead and do the swap anyway. But I just feel like such an idiot because obviously there was nothing wrong with the brakes. It just needed the piece put in, which I have lost again. Ruh-roh, Raggy. I'm just gonna show you the piece, but I don't know what I did with it. Wait, is it in my pocket? Nope.
2,000 years later.
Here it is. Here's our prize. So I ended up having to go to a junkyard and buy an entire used brake, master cylinder, and booster. Luckily they were fair. Gave it to me for 40 bucks. This slides in here. There it goes. Boom. And now it's in. Hey, look. Now when you put this in, it'll actually contact something. Boop. And I bet we magically have brakes. Ay, ay, ay. Well, Curly, until the next time.